I started my full-fledged preparation after I joined the Ultimate Assessment Program at Civilsdaily.
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 There is a 12-month strategy which I have done on Civilsdaily platform only.
I reached out to the Civilsdaily team.
Civilsdaily.
Current affairs में Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily. Civilsdaily.
Civilsdaily. Civilsdaily.
A mentorship program of Civilsdaily, and that did help me a lot.
If you are preparing for UPSC 2026 or 2027 and you are confused about, you're lacking a clear strategy, you're confused about what resources to follow, you're a complete beginner, you have not attempted or prepared for all India level competitive exam, you don't know what kind of mindset is required, what kind of planning routine is required, that covers the strategy part. If you once you have some strategy, some idea, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ लिया आपने, but you're not clear about the content part, आप किस तरीके से एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, प्रीलिम्स की प्रिपरेशन कैसे होती है, मेंस की प्रिपरेशन कैसे होती है, how do you differentiate the preparation, what should be the note making strategy, how should I make notes which are quick and revision ready, how should I enrich my notes, how should I add X factor in my notes, how should I do my answer writing, how should I plan my revision. ये basic questions हैं. These are very basic questions which are bound to happen to a beginner aspirant or a working professional, especially or full-time aspirants who are preparing for the first time. You're not aware of the content, resources. These are the basic questions people ask. And then how do you assess your preparation? How do you attempt a mock test? What do you do to analyze the mock test? How do you keep improving your mock test average score, etc.? How do you write answer? How do you structure your answers? How do you start answer writing when you have not done any answer writing in previous years? Optional coverage, etc. Revisions, one-pager note making. How do you handle your current affairs? How do you do your newspaper reading? Planning, routine habits, etc. Any of these questions, they are bound to happen to a beginner, right? So to solve this problem, Civilsdaily is launching a free beginner starter kit for 2026 and 2027 aspirant. And in this, we are going to make sure that all these doubts are cleared. Understanding the UPSC syllabus, we will start from understanding UPSC syllabus. We'll break down the whole syllabus for you. Second comes the micro theme. What it means is when you have understood the prelims and main syllabus, you ask a simple question. What are the areas from where questions are asked? What are those themes and syllabus areas which are UPSC's favorite? UPSC keeps on asking questions from that area. So that is micro themes. And a very simple question are like, what kind of sources should I refer? What should be the booklets, etc. And this is evidence based. Everything here is done by PYQ analysis, backed by PYQ. So all these questions will be answered in this starter kit program, right? How do you make notes, right? You will have access to the rankers notes. You will have access to burning issues of each month. You will have access to the X Factor notes for your GS mains preparation 1, 2, 3, 4. Extremely important X Factor notes to enrich your answers and gain minimum 20 marks per paper, which is 80 marks improvement in all 4 GS paper. Very important. Dominate prelims notes access. You will have flash notes access, atomic notes access. So we are giving complete access for free under this starter kit program. Okay, you will have access to the ranker session and mentorship sessions also. Okay, we keep inviting rankers every year, almost every month. We keep taking these guidance session, mentorship sessions in group. These are live sessions that we take over Zoom. Hundreds and hundreds of aspirants join us almost every 10-15 days to clear their doubts, to learn new strategies, to understand how to prepare for particular paper or overall strategy for exam, right? These are master classes that we take almost with a frequency of 2-3 in a month. So you will have complete access to these. You will receive WhatsApp messages whenever a next session is coming up. Free one-on-one guidance call with the mentor. This is for the first time we are doing this. All you need to do is register in the link below for the UPSC starter kit, and I'll show you what does it involve, what all kind of content it involves. Everyone who registers, everyone who is attempting for UPSC 2026 and 2027, they will have access for one-on-one guidance, free one-on-one guidance call with us. You can talk to us directly online or you can come to our office in Delhi and Pune offline and sit with the mentor in person, bring your notes, copies, everything, right? This is to make sure that you start right. बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा confusion होता है, इधर उधर hundreds of PDF, lot of content is coming at you. You fail to have that clarity in your preparation, right? So we want you to start right, and we want you to avoid common pitfalls. Why I'm saying this? Because it takes minimum 2 to 3 years to realize very normal mistakes which were avoidable. आपको वो गलतियाँ नहीं करनी है. Make sure that you get the exam right within one attempt. One attempt. एक attempt में आपका list में नाम होना चाहिए. That is our aim, right? Let me show you what does a starter kit look like. This is a must-have for UPSC 26-27 aspirant. We are introducing, and you have the free access for it, right? This is UPSC starter kit. All you need to do is go to prelims.civilsdaily.com. There is a link in the description. Just click there. Here you will see starter kit. This is free of cost available. It is worth almost 5,000, 6,000 rupees, but we are opening it for everyone. It's free of cost available. Just register here and you will have access for the starter kit. There is a link also in the description. Just register there and you will have. This is what starter kit looks like. You will have access to All India Smash Mains, Open Test. You will have Geography Foundation notes access. All the rank 13 ka GS notes you will have access. He is one of the highest scorer in GS. Prelims keys, flash notes for dominant prelims. You will have X Factor notes. You will have Ethics Enrichment, Essay Enrichment, free webinar PDF for all the ranker session and for the mentor session, main solution, sample structure answers, Civilsdaily super maps, burning issue for each month. These are current affairs magazine, highest hit ratio in your mains paper. X Factor also. You have and Smash Mains questions also. You have Civilsdaily PYQ micro themes ka access. You have Civilsdaily annotated NCERT access. Let me show you some of the rankers, and you have access to rankers copies also. Let's say this is All India rank 3 answer copies. These are annotated answer copies. This is just the content part of it. Look at this. So you can actually understand how a rankers write a particular answer. Let me show you X Factor note access. All the X Factors you will find here. Let's open Polity X Factor. You will find all the X Factors available here, and we keep upgrading these X Factor almost every year. So for 2026 and 27, you will have upgraded X Factor uploaded in the same drive. You can see this is for Ethics Enrichment notes for X Factor. Everything is covered here. No more confusion in your preparation. All the tables and everything. No more confusion for. I'll show you few other things. Let's say for essay, you will see all these introductions for essay written by rankers. All the rankers, you can see all the rankers name and everything. All these introductions are written by. So this is an essay document. This gives you unprecedented edge over others in your exam. And this is completely, we are keeping it open for everyone. All you need to do is register for this starter kit. You will have access to all the content of Civilsdaily. You will have access to burning issues, X Factor notes, flash notes, atomic notes. You will also have access to all the mentorship sessions that we keep doing every week, rankers session that we keep doing every week. You will have access to rankers copies, or look at this, Geography Foundation notes. You will have access to all these notes also. This will completely help you make your preparation very sharp, very PYQ oriented. It will bring a lot of relevance to your preparation, exam, etc. And it will make sure that these are dominant prelims notes for your prelims preparation. Let me just, all the species, access. So you don't need to worry about anything else. Everything is PYQ backed. What are the questions UPSC has been asking? And you will have everything at one place. All these PYQs which has been asked, let's say in this particular theme, everything is here. आपको कुछ भी अलग से कोई notes नहीं बनाने, कुछ नहीं बनाने, सब कुछ research backed, PYQ backed already यहाँ पे available है. All you need to do is register to the form so that you have access to all the whole drive. Instantly you will have access to the complete drive. You will also be given access to all the ranker session, mentorship sessions. You will also have access to one-on-one free guidance call. You can come offline to Civilsdaily Delhi office or Pune office, sit with the mentor, bring your copies, notes, etc. Or you can have an online, like we'll connect over video call or normal audio call, right? So register as soon as possible. Okay? This is starting this week of September, and make sure that you take advantage of all this content that we are giving out for free, right? Don't miss out this opportunity. Register right away for the Civils Daily Beginners Starter Kit for 2026, 2027, and all the best for your preparation. Let's crack 2026 and 2027 exam together. All the best.